Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we're gonna unbox and review IKEA MELLTORP table from Sweden. This table comes in two pieces. First we have the board and then we have this another pack, and this is for the legs. And I hope it's easy to assemble. Let's find out. We demand $400 billion or this box will be opened. So here we have the metal parts and the manual. We have a lot of different metal parts, and we have some kind of tool here. We have some kind of these kind of things and more bolts and complicated stuff. So I don't think this will be so easy to assemble after all. This will be a lot of work. The guide is only 5 pages. Let's check out the board. And this you have to be very careful not to open with the knife. So I guess we just rip it open. Just rip it open. Ooh. Here at the table, it's nice. Very good white table, clean, looks clean. Step number 1, put 8 of these bolts and plastic things into these big metal beams and attach them to the table. Let's go. First beam installed, but I wonder how tight I should make this. How tight does it have to be? I don't know. This tool here is not very convenient, to be honest. It doesn't seem to fit inside. Look at this. It doesn't go. Now it's going. I guess the hand strength will be sufficient enough for this. But I'm a pretty strong man, so I hope I don't break it. Okay, we have both of the beams installed now and everything went smoothly except this one bolt. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but it's turning in place without going anywhere, so I think these kind of things are broken inside of it, because every other bolt they got tightened up really well. It's not going anymore, but this one, it just keeps spinning. Just keeps spinning, not going anywhere. But I think it will be enough with 3 bolts. It doesn't matter. Next step, we have to put this metal things inside. So this. And then we put the smaller beam as well. I just open up this pack where this metal thing is, and look, it creates some weird black stains on my hand. I don't know what this is, but it's coming inside this bag. Look, can you see my hand? My finger? This weird black thing inside the box. What is this, IKEA? What is this? This step is kinda weird, to be honest. It's not staying in place. So I have to put some kind of bolt. I think then it's gonna stay in place. Let's try that out. This step is really annoying because you have to put this like perfectly like this in order for the bolt to go in. And the problem is that this other beam is on different level than these beams. Look, there's a small gap here, but here is not small gap. So what I did, I put a bolt here. I put one bolt over there, and I think it's supposed to hold it now a little bit on the air, so it's on the same level. When I can get this bolt inside here, then it's gonna stay in place better, I think. Let's try it. Okay, now it's staying a little bit in place. It's time to use the tool. It was kind of tricky, but I managed to put both of them. I gotta say that this part was really annoying. More annoying than usually IKEA stuff. But now it's super sturdy. And one more to go on this side. Okay, we did it. We finished the table. And I gotta say that last step was really straining for my back because you have to be in this really bad posture when you assemble it, and this last part was so annoying. It's really complicated to get them together. But yeah, I'm happy it's over now. Let's flip it over and see if it stands or falls down. The table is quite heavy, which is good because it means it will be more sturdy, hopefully, more stable. Look at this table. So shiny, so bright, very nice. The edge, you know, it's kind of off from the center, but I think it doesn't matter. Metal legs, very good. Oh shit, what is this hole here? Do you think this will be a problem? Why is there a small gap here? I guess it's normal, because you see, they have this plastic thing, so this gap here is normal, I think. Whew. You know, I was really scared for a moment that I assembled it wrong, but it's normal for it to have that gap. So, here we have it. IKEA MELLTORP table. It's very nice. Bigger than my old table. It's gonna be really nice to make unboxing videos on this table. I like this. And it's not shaky at all. I really like it's not shaky. It's really sturdy. I think this material will last much longer than my old table as well. It's not the honeycomb, you know, the little foam thing that they have it on cheap table. This is like more hard material, so that's what I like. But yeah, it's not shaking. I think it even holds my weight here. See? No problem, this table is very strong. But yeah, this table, I think it cost like 50 euros or something, so it's not even that expensive. Very good price to quality ratio. The assembly was maybe like 6 out of 10, I would say, or 7 out of 10. Usually the IKEA things are much more easy to assemble, but this one, if you're not handyman or a handy woman, you will have problems assembling the last step, I think. But overall, really great table, IKEA quality as always, and I hope it lasts for a long time. I hope it doesn't get scratches here. Like, that's the main part. But I read somewhere that it has some kind of protective material on the surface, so it should last like the wet stains and the scratches. And yeah, let's hope so. And look at it, it looks great. I like how it has the metal white legs as well as the white table. It's like seamless. It's like iPhone of tables, like iPhone. Seamless design. It looks really nice. Fits my room and my house. Everything is white. Fridge is white. Walls are white. I'm white. I'm like Snow White. I'm Finnish. I don't have any tan in my body. Look how white I am. So it fits this whole design here. The mat is white as well. But yeah, really good quality by IKEA. 9 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe, like the video, and give it a thumbs up. I guess like the video and thumbs up is the same thing, but maybe share it with your friend. Yeah, share it with your Swedish friends and tell them that IKEA is great. Thank you IKEA, and thank you Sweden. And thanks for watching. This has been Consumer Goods Review. Subscribe.